Thanks so much for taking a closer look at our 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. 16 was, of course, the year that the Cruze saw a complete redesign into this new body style. This is a Premier True North edition, so it is loaded with goodies. You do have a power release on the remote itself, which opens up into a very spacious trunk. And of course, you can further enhance your cargo space by dropping down the 60/40 split folding seats. This is certified pre-owned, meaning it comes with the 3-month, 5,000 kilometer warranty. It's been through a 176-point inspection and it has been completely reconditioned, so it is good to go on the road. Let's take a closer look inside because there are a lot of fun things happening. Starting with the rear seats, you do have that nice black leather interior. You have the option of dropping down the center console for more cup holders. Best part of the back seat is the heated rear seats. You also have a 120 volt power outlet, so if you want to connect any devices, laptops, etc., you can do so. Very clean vehicle, is in great condition, clearly been well cared for by the previous owner. The front seat is where it's happening, starting with that nice power sunroof. Driver does have the power seats. A lot of comfort features are included on this Cruze. We do have the heated steering wheel, that's one of my personal favorites, along with heated seats for driver and passenger. Technology-wise, we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can connect your smartphone right to your vehicle. You do have the added bonus of navigation. I also love this feature. Safety features, we have the rear camera along with rear park assist, and lane keep assist, rear cross traffic alert, blind zone alert. So all the features that are going to keep you nice and safe on your travels. So that's a quick little look at our 2016 Chevrolet Cruze, loaded with very fun options. You also will have the remote start, which is great for summer and winter. Again, it is certified pre-owned, so you have the benefit of that, as well as the comfort in that. It is a local trade-in, and it has been very well cared for and maintained. So for more information, give us a call, 905-725-6501. You can also text us at that number or visit us online at ontariomotorsales.com. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.